Yes, automation changes jobs, but it also creates new careers in... Are robots really taking over the world, or just changing the way we live?
From smart assistants to cleaning robots, artificial intelligence is already inside our homes.
Meetings. In healthcare, surgical robots save lives and help doctors perform with precision.
Next. In industries, robots take on repetitive and dangerous tasks, keeping humans safer.
Yes, automation changes jobs, but it also creates new careers in robotics and AI.
The future belongs to those who learn new skills and adapt with technology.
Instead of replacing us, robots are here to support us in everyday life.
Robots handle data and repetition. Humans lead with creativity, emotions, and ethics.
AI is shaping how the next generation learns, plays, and explores knowledge. From farming to space exploration, robotics is solving global challenges.
Robots are not taking over. They are working with us to build a smarter future.
This is how robots play an important role in our daily life. Subscribe for more stories shaping our world.